Hello students, in class 7 I have come back with the next chapter, new chapter, linear equation in one variable. What is linear equation in one variable? We say that an equation which is having the highest power of the variable, that is 1, and it is having one standard form, standard expression. What is that standard expression? The standard expression is ax plus b equal to c. Alright. Now where a, b and c belongs to real number, belongs to a real number. Alright. And x is variable. X is variable. A, B, C, all these are real numbers 1, 2, 3, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like that. And x is variable here. So what is, if nothing is written, that means it is having the power degree 1. So any equation which is having the highest power of the variable is 1 is linear equation in one variable. So this is the standard expression of linear equation in one variable. Standard expression. Okay. Now let us see one by one what are the rules and how can we solve the questions. So this is chapter number 8, and I will show you some solution of the given asked questions from exercise 8a. So in exercise 8a, the first question is solve the following and check the results. Check the results. Alright students, what is given in the question number 1? A plus 10 equal to 12. Okay. A plus 10 equal to 12. Student, we can see here that 10 and 12 is a real number and A is variable. What is the relation of A with 10? We will say phase of addition. So in class 6 these things have been taught to you in portion of algebra, that whenever any plus sign is there, when it goes to RHS it turns into minus, minus turns into plus, into turns into divide, and divide turns into multiply. This is very basic rules we must have been informed with. Okay. Now students, A plus 10 equal to 12. So 10 is constant, 12 is constant, because these are real numbers and real numbers are constant terms. So this plus 10 will be going from LHS to RHS. So A equal to, this will turn into 12, plus 10 will be coming, plus will be turning into minus, because this is LHS and that is RHS. So 12 minus 10 will give you 2. So A equal to 2. So this is your answer, solution for the first question. Students, we must know, we must learn that whatever the value we are going to get, this is also called solution or a root of the variable in the question. Alright. Now we have solved, we have found out the value of A. Now we need to check the results. So we are going to verify now. Check. For which value? For A equal to 2. Whatever value we have obtained, alright, for a equal to 2, like this, we will verify. Now LHS, what is in LHS? A plus 10 expression given. Instead of a, we will substitute 2. So 2 plus 10 will give you 12. And RHS value already given 12. So LHS is also 12, RHS is also 12. So hence LHS equal to RHS. Alright, this is the verification we will do like this in the remaining questions as well. Now the second question is on the board. It is 8y minus 3 equal to 5y minus 24. Okay, 8y and 5y, these two are variable terms, and 3 and 24 are constant terms. It means numbers. So we will shuffle the variables, keep the variables at one side and keeping the constant terms on the other side. So 8y I am just writing down. So 5y will, what will be the sign of 5y? Plus. So when it will travel down from right hand side to left hand side, 5y is having plus sign, this will turn into minus 5y. Now I have kept the variable at one side. Now I am going to keep the real numbers at another side. So minus 24 is going nowhere, so it is being written. Now minus 3 will be traveled down from LHS to RHS. So minus 3 will be turning into plus 3. 8y minus 5y, this is going to give you 3y. Minus plus minus, follow the integer rules. 24, 3 will give you 21. And 24 is bigger number, larger number. So minus sign is getting placed. So 3 into y. 3 into y. So when the sign will be changed, when this 3 will be taken from LHS to RHS, this 3 will be converting into division. So minus 21 by 3, and this is going to give you minus 7. So y equal to minus 7. Now we have to check the results as well. So check the results. LHS for y equal to minus 7, LHS is what? 8y minus 3. 8 into minus 7 minus 3. That means it is going to give minus 56. 8 7 ja 56. Minus 56 minus 3 minus minus plus. That means 59, and minus sign will be kept as 56 is greater number. So LHS value we have obtained here minus 59. Let's find out what value we are going to get in RHS case. It is 5y minus 24 equal to 5 into y. Into y means y value is minus 7. So minus 7 getting kept. Minus 24. 5 7 is 35. Minus 35. Minus 24. Minus minus plus. That means we will add here 5 plus 4 9. 3 2 5. 35 is greater number. Sign is minus. So minus is given. So what are we seeing? Minus 59 we are obtaining here in LHS as well as in RHS. Hence we can write LHS equals to RHS. Okay students, I hope you have got this. Now look at the question number 4. The question number 4 is pretty different from whatsoever question I have shown you just a moment ago. So this question, how can we solve? 5 into 2x, that means we are going to simplify. 5 into 2x will give you 5 into 10, that means 10x, minus 5 3 is 15, minus 3 3 is 9x, minus minus plus 3 7 is 21 equals to 5. 10x and 9x are like terms. So solution will be done amongst these two. 10x minus 9x is going to give you x minus 15 plus 21. Both these are real numbers. So minus plus minus here in these two. I am solving, simplifying. Minus plus minus. Minus, that means 21 minus 15, 6. And 21 is greater. And the sign is plus. So that is why I am keeping plus 6 equals to 5. So x equal to 5 plus 6. When it will go to right hand side, it will turn into minus 6. And the solution or the root of x is minus 1. So we have to check as well. Let's see how can we and what are we going to get? LHS 5 into 2x. So 2 into x, that means minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 into 3x, 3 into minus 1, minus 7, bracket close, middle bracket close. Now 5, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3 into 3 into minus 1, minus 3, resultantly we are going to get, and 5 minus 2 minus 3, that means minus 5, because minus minus plus 2 plus 3, 5, 3 is greater, sign is getting kept. Similarly here we are going to solve minus 3 into minus minus plus 3 plus 7, 10, that means 10 or minus 10, minus 10. So 5 5 jar 25 minus 25 minus minus plus 3 10 jar 30. Now again minus plus minus. So 5 we are going to get, and the 30 is greater number. So sign will be positive. So LHS we have obtained here in the form of 5, and RHS is also 5. Hence LHS equals to RHS. So this is question number 4 solution. I hope again that you have clearly understood it. Now look at question number 7. 2m plus 5 by 3 equal to 3m minus 10. Now here this 3 is dividing this expression. So this is having the relation of division. So in the next steps, 2m plus 5 equal to, this is by 3, so it will go to right hand side and division will turn into multiplication. So 3 into 3m minus 10. Where this 3 has gone? This 3 has gone to right hand side and division had turned into multiplication. So 2m plus 5 equal to 3 3s are 9m minus 3 10s are 30. Now variable will be kept at one side. So 9m will be coming to this side, LHS, and plus 5 will go to right hand side. So 2m, 9m will turn into minus 9m and minus 30. I am not changing the position of minus 30. It is still in the right hand side. So plus 5 will be turning into right hand side, and plus 5 will be into minus 5. So 2m minus 9m, that means minus 7m equal to, minus 7m equal to minus 35. Minus minus cancels, 7m, that means 7 into m. So m equal to 35 by 7. This is going to give you 5. Once again we have to check the results. So LHS equal to 2m plus 5 by 3. So in place of m, you are going to substitute the value 5. So 2 into 5 plus 5 by 3. So 2 into 5 is going to give you 10 plus 5 by 3. So 10 plus 5, 15 by 3. That means 3 5s are 15. So LHS value on substituting the solution of m equal to 5. We are getting 5. Now let's see to RHS case, 3m minus 10. So 3 into m. Value is m. So 3 into 5 minus 10, that means 15 minus 10 and 5. Once again, LHS, RHS are equal. You can see here. Hence, LHS equal to RHS proved. Okay. There are so many questions in this exercise. So, I am going to solve few more questions as this is having some other levels question. I have taken question number 10 for doing the solution. Here in question number 10 you can see 2x minus 1 by 3 minus 6x minus 2 by 5 equal to 1 by 3. So in LHS side the denominators are 3 and 5. So in case of denominators and simplification of rational numbers, we know that we take LCM. So 3 5 LCM will be 15. 3 5s are 15. Now 3 5s are 15. So 5 is getting quotient. So 5 into 2x minus 1 minus 5 3s are 15. So 3 is going to multiply with the numerator 6x minus 2 equals to 1 by 3. Now 5 to the 10x minus 5 minus 3 into 6x 18x minus minus plus 3 to the 6 by 15 equals to 1 by 3. Okay. So 10x minus 18x plus minus 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 8x minus plus minus, that means 1 plus 1 by 15 equals to 1 by 3. Minus 8x plus 1 equals to, now 15 I am transposing it to the RHS. So 15 is on the division in LHS. Now when it will go to RHS, 1 by 3 into 15. Alright. So simply we can write at one step 15 by 3. 15 by 3 is going to give you 5. So minus 8x plus 1 equals to 5. So minus 8x 5 plus 1 will be going to the RHS. This will turn into minus 1. Minus 8x equals to 4. X equal to 4 by minus 8. We can cancel 1 by 2 and minus sign is there. So minus 1 by 2 is the solution for question number 10. So I guess you have learned the checking methods, how we can check. So you can do the checkings by yourself. Now let's move to the question number 13. Okay. Question number 13. Question number 13 is 9x plus 7 by 2 minus x minus 2 by 2 equals to 36. So 9x plus 7 by 2 will be written as it is. If nothing is there, 1 is there. So 1 to LCM will be 2. I am doing the finishing the work within the bracket things. So 1 to just 2. So 2 into x, 2x minus 2 1 is 2. That means 1 x minus 2. Okay. I have to give the curly bracket, middle bracket here, since small bracket is being used, equal to 36. So 9x plus 7 by 2 minus 2x minus x plus 2 by 2 equal to 36. 9x plus 7 by 2 minus 2x minus x, that means x plus 2 by 2 equal to 36. Again 2 to LCM will be 2. So 2 1 is 2. So by multiplying anything with 1 gives the same result. So 9x plus 7 minus 2 1 is 2 again, x plus 2. So this 2 will be transferred to the right hand side. So 9x plus 7 minus x minus 2, 36 to the 72. 9x minus x, 8x plus 7 minus 2, that means 5 equal to 72. 8x equal to 72 minus 5, 8x equal to 67. So x equal to 67 by 8. So this is the value I have obtained for x. Okay students, so very few more questions are left. So I hope you have understood the concept of today's class, linear equations in one variable. So students, I am expecting you to finish off the things from exercise 8A. So your work, your homework, complete exercise 8A. If any problem will be there, you can make contact, you can ask, but finish up this job. Thank you very much.